Well, hello and good afternoon. My name is Nora Triola, and it's a pleasure to be with you again to talk about some important CEO updates. Today's Friday, October 9th, and I'll be covering some topics at David's request. First and foremost, we want to talk about how our safety standards remain unchanged. You know, I think you could be easily confused by what has happened the past week in our country as it relates to the individuals testing positive and how they reacted and spreader events and all sorts of news. And what we want you to realize is that as we all are living the BAYADA Way, we here have worked diligently to make sure that you have exactly what you need to keep yourself safe and to do the job we ask you to do, which is to care for the clients like you've done so beautifully. We know that our organization has been able to take clients home from the hospital that have succumbed to COVID-19 and to be able to care for them in active disease, and others haven't, and that's because of these safety standards. And so Susan and Bridget read regularly the CDC recommendations and any of the clinical evidence to make sure that you have what you need to actually be as super protected as you possibly can. And as you remember, we've changed those guidelines based on new recommendations and added additional things like the face shield most recently to keep you protected. But you know, all that is for naught if you don't do what it is you've done so beautifully every single day, which is to make sure that you don those appropriate PPE equipment, your surgical mask, your face shields as you go in to care for clients. And then of course, if you're caring for someone that's COVID positive, your N95 and other necessary protective equipment. So we want to thank everybody for the diligence, the hard work. We know this isn't easy, but you're doing it day in and day out. We're continuing to serve more. And it's really a testament to how we really do want to make sure that those clients can live their best life. And so again, as we move towards the close of another week, we want to enter the weekend, and I want to again express gratitude. And if we go to the next slide, we can see a beautiful, beautiful picture of one of our clinicians doing exactly what I just spoke of, making sure that they are there to care for the clients and that in fact they have that personal protective equipment on. And you can see the joy in that beautiful child's face, just knowing that we're there to make a difference. So during National Pediatric Week, we want to recognize and share our appreciation and gratitude for each and every clinician who goes way above and beyond to meet our clients in their home setting and keep them there. And thank you for all you do on behalf of our caregivers, keeping them safe through this pandemic. I want to wish you a wonderful weekend, and thanks again for all you do. We'll be back next week.